guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the family. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did get a camera. It's nothing too big and fancy, but I had to update my video quality and all of that. I'm still working on my backdrops. I know this is an old backdrop, but you know, I'm trying to get everything together. This video is a Romwe try-on haul. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you know I've a couple months back I did a Romwe haul, but this one is bigger and it's better. I got some pieces, okay, and they hitting, okay. So let's get into this haul. So I'm just picking things at random and showing you guys. First thing I got is this baseball cap that says Bad Hair Day. I thought it was so cute. You can never go wrong with a black cap, and you know, when you don't feel like doing your hair, this hat just explains it. Like, so next thing I got is these, a lot of these pants are swishy, okay, but they're cute. It's these little army fatigue type pants. The knee has this blocked out part. They are so freaking cute. Like, I'm so happy with this purchase. I think they're so bomb. They have the scrunched up ankle. They're bomb as hell. They're cute. If I haven't already, I'll put the prices on the screen, and I'll put in the description bar the direct link to these pieces if they are still on their site. Okay? Next thing I got was this t-shirt, this black t-shirt that says Melanin in the writing of, you know, the show Friends. It's in that little font. I thought this was so cute and like so simple that you could just style it any kind of way. You could dress it up, dress it down. Either way, it's going to look so bomb. And when I saw this next piece on the site, I just had to get it. It is this jumper that is like so freaking cute. It's kind of like the swishy material, but not really like a suede swishy. I don't know how to explain it. Is this pocket functional? Didn't test it out. No, the pocket is not functional, but it is cute. And the back looks like this. These also have the scrunched up ankles. I think this is so cute, and I just cannot wait to wear this. Like, I'm gonna be styling and profiling, looking cute as fuck. Next thing I got was another t-shirt. This is just a plain white one that says 90s on it. I saw it, had to get it. Born in the 90s. I'm a 90s baby, okay? So I had to get this shirt. Super cute, super simple. Dress it up, dress it down, any way you want to. Next thing I got was another pair of pants. These are so gorgeous. They have a straight leg bottom on it. I can still style it however. They're high-waisted, and the pockets have these little detail on the side, which I thought was so freaking cute. Like, you can rock these any type of way. And I feel like I just got pieces that you can just, staple pieces, like main pieces that you can just style them however you want to. But the next thing I got, I was so confused when I got it. I'm not gonna fucking lie. I didn't understand how to do it. For the sake of the video, I cannot try this on because YouTube will flag the F out of me. Okay, it's a lingerie set, but it ain't covered, honey. This is the top, which is so freaking cute. Like, I just put it over my shirt. So freaking cute. The top is not hard. It was the bottoms. 1 second. I'm going to insert a picture in, but these are the panties. Oh, that's the back part. No, that was not the back part. That was the front part. See, when I said these is hard to get into, this is the front. So pretty much your pom pom supposed to be right here in this section. You ass the fuck out in these. Like, I'm gonna still wear them. I mean, I don't know for who, but somebody's daughter is gonna see these, okay? Next few pieces are bags. I was so excited when I seen these. Like, I just had to get them. They are dope. Like, you know the whole fanny pack craze. Like, I just don't want a regular fanny pack. I just seen these and was like, oh my god. So I guess I'll start with the most plain one. This black one, they all have like belt type little things, whatever. It's just the plain black. They're called bum bags. So this black one has 2 sections. Well, technically 3. Yeah, you got 3 little sections to keep your things inside of it. I just wanted just a plain black one. This next one is super freaking cute. Like, how cute is this? How fucking cute is this? Like, this is a staple. Like, put this on and just, they're gonna be like, oh my god, your bag is so cute. Like, how cute is this? It's small. You can't fit much in it, but like, yeah, it doesn't have any pockets or anything on the inside. It's small. It's cute though. Like, real cute. Now this next one, I fell in love with this one. This was the whole reason for my purchase, honestly. I just thought the other stuff as extra, if I'm being honest. So this is the next bum bag. It's so cute on, like, how freaking cute. It's snake skin print, gold detail. I mean, can't fit much in this one either, but I just feel like they're statement pieces, you know. You're not wearing these to like put all your things that's in your purse in here. It's just like, I'm going somewhere and I don't want to carry a lot of stuff. These bags are for that. So guys, that is it for my haul. Let me know down below which one is your favorite piece or how you might style any one of these pieces. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.